When you first arrive inside the Spirit, this is going to be off, and you're going to know it's off because the little green light won't show there. In order to get the lights working, you need to turn it on so that you see green light. We shut that off so the battery doesn't die. And again, we have a new on-demand hot water heater system. In order to get it to work, you have to come over to your control panel, turn the hot water heater on, and then the control panel for the hot water heater on-demand system will turn on. And then you just come over here, you turn on your hot water, and then the white bar right here will show up above the flame, and that's how you know your hot water is heating up.